Air horn switch. This bottom switch is located on the side of the driver's left foot and outside of the clutch pedal. Step on this button to sound the air horn. Release it to automatically return to the position and make the air horn stop sounding. Throttle pedal. Step on the electronic throttle pedal to realize the acceleration or deceleration of the whole vehicle. Brake pedal. Step on the brake pedal to realize the deceleration or stop of the whole vehicle. Clutch pedal. Step on the clutch pedal to release the clutch. Switch on the power takeoff. 1. Stop the engine. The air pressure gauge reaches 0.6 MPa to 0.8 MPa after the engine runs smoothly. 2. Step on the clutch pedal. 3. Switch the transmission control lever to gear 3 or 4. 4. Pull out the power takeoff switch. Switch on the power takeoff. Then the power takeoff indicator light is on. 5. Slowly release the clutch pedal. Then the crane is in a state of lifting preparation. Disconnect the power takeoff. 1. Step on the clutch pedal and reset the transmission control lever to neutral position. 2. Press the power takeoff switch and make the power takeoff indicator go out, indicating that the power takeoff is disconnected. 3. Slowly release the clutch pedal. Then the crane is in a non-lifting state. Switch pedal on central console. 1. Flame out switch. Press and hold this switch for 2 to 3 seconds to stop the engine. 2. Rear fog lamp switch. Press this switch to turn on the rear fog lamp only when the high beam and low beam lampers are turned on. 3. Interaxle and inter-wheel differential lock switch. Press this switch to lock the interaxle and inter-wheel differential gears. This switch is valid only when the vehicle is stopped. 4. Lag operating light switch. The lag operating light switch is on when this switch is turned on in the driving state. It is mainly used for lighting when the vehicle is moved on the sides. This switch is invalid and the operating light switch on the external lag operation box is valid after the vehicle takes the power. 5. ABS fault diagnosis switch. Read the ABS diagnostic light flashing code and search the ABS fault code after this switch is pressed and held for 1 to 3 seconds and released when the ABS system alarms. 6. Plateau mode switch. Press this switch to automatically increase the idling speed to the set value to avoid idling stop when the vehicle is working in plateau areas. 850 R per minute. 7. Intelligent fuel saving switch. When this switch is turned on during the operation, the engine may adjust the engine power in real time according to the rotational speed, driving speed, torque, load, gear position, and other operating conditions, and limit the rotational speed to a suitable economic operating range to achieve fuel saving. 8. Engine diagnostic switch. It is a backup switch for emergent decoding input after the engine is actively locked. 9. Circular warning light switch. Press this switch to turn on the circular warning light after the user chooses to install it. Transmission control handle. It is locked at the right-hand side of the driver. The gear selection and shifting of the transmission can be realized by moving the transmission control handle leftward or rightward and forward or backward. Hand brake control handle. It can realize parking brake and emergency brake. Indoor roof lamp. It is located above the driver and the occupants and composed of spotlights, door lights, and their switches. Press the edge of the spotlight to adjust its direction. The spotlight switch is a two-way switch. The door light switch is a three-way switch. It is off in the middle position and on in both sides. The door lights are controlled by the opening or closing of the cab door. The door light is on when the cab door is opened, and the vice versa. In addition, A door light switch is set at the control position of the cab door, so it is possible to manually control the on or off of the door light.